Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing fine. So in this video, I am going to show you a very beautiful collection of crochet lace dresses that are so popular in trend and are very fashionable, and people, especially women, consider them so stylish and so beautiful. And all the women who wear these kind of dresses are really adored around the globe, and everyone just loves to see them. Before discussing and before watching the things in detail, I request all of you, my dear friends, to please hit like, and if you are watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button, and it is very important to press the bell icon so that you can get updates of all the new videos. My dear friends, you can see so many beautiful and elegant dresses that are crochet lace dresses on your screens. These are in different color schemes. For example, you can see this red one is very beautiful and so stylish. It is looking super cool. And after this dress, you can see this white one is also very beautiful. Just look at this pattern. It is so stylish. Anyone who wears would look so smart and so stylish. This pink one is looking so cool. You know that pink is always the favorite color of all the women. Either they are baby girls or they are teenagers, young girls, women of any age. They just love to wear pink color because pink is just related to women, or I believe feminism, or sorry to say not feminism but actually feminine things, because pink color is just about softness, cuteness, beauty, and all these characteristics are associated with women. I believe it. If you do, then please let me know in the comment section. And just look at this one. It is also so cute and so beautiful. Anyone who wears would look so stylish. It is red color and it is also looking so cute. You can see the dress up design with high heels. The girl is looking super stylish with this crochet lace dress. And when we come to this white one, it is also very beautiful. And you know, white color looks very pretty. Whoever wears white looks so gorgeous and so graceful, because white is a color that is about purity, that is about simplicity, and that is about grace. So every woman loves to have all these things when she dresses up, that she looks great, graceful, elegant, and stylish at the same time. These crochet beautiful lace dresses are so elegant and so beautiful, and as well as they are so comfy that you are loving to wear these dresses because they are not at all discomfortable. And look at this one, having beautiful laces. It is super stylish. And after that, you can see this pink one is also very beautiful. The girl is wearing high heels and a very beautiful tea pink color dress. This is cute. And this one is also in a crochet lace style dress. It is also so gorgeous and super beautiful. You would surely be slaying in this dress if you go for it. So my dear friends, if you are planning to make these dresses for yourself or to gift someone, you can get ideas from my video and go for these dresses whenever you have free time. And when we talk about free time, it is the actually ideal time that you can go for the things that you wanted in the past, because the people who are job holders and who work somewhere outside their houses and remain outdoor all the day, and they don't find some extra time to do these kind of activities like crocheting or knitting or any other creative activities, this is the best time for them, because due to lockdown all the people around the globe are staying at their homes, and when we don't have any activity to do, we feel so passive and so inactive. So inactivity and actually being passive leads to nothing good, but it actually damages the health of our physical body, as well as we mentally get disturbed due to this. And if you spend this time, this free time, in very good and positive things, and you indulge yourself in positive activities, I hope that you would feel better, and you would make beautiful things out of your time. And also, if you are facing the issue of economical problems nowadays, because no one is going to jobs and there are so many other things like this, even then it is so profitable that you can create beautiful pieces out of crochet and you can sell your patterns, because people love to get these patterns. I have seen so many ladies who have nothing to do and they have leisure time, they stay at home, but they are super cool and they are super positive ladies, because they do not waste any bit of their time and they utilize their time fully, keeping themselves busy in doing beautiful crochet pieces, and afterwards they gift these pieces also, and they use these pieces for even themselves, they do for their grandbabies and so many other near and dear ones. And along with that, they also go to sell these pieces, and people around the world admire their pieces, because hard work ultimately is a sign of success, and whenever who does hard work ultimately succeeds. So this is the thing, that if you are having free time, then even you can, and even if you are not a crochet person, you cannot do it yourself, you can learn for it. And if you do not actually want to do so, even then you can buy these things from the market. But before going to the market, you must have an idea of the latest fashion trends and styles that are people wearing these days, and that are actually the highly appreciated one styles. So this video is all about the trends and fashion and all the things. So my dear friends, if you are liking this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and press the bell icon for further future notifications. And I am so thankful to all the ladies that are supporting me worldwide and just giving me encouragement and confidence to do this work with more passion and more beauty and more positivity. Actually, when we share happiness, when we share positivity, when we appreciate others, it is the real sense of life and real spirit of being a human being in the real sense, because we are in the world to support each other, to help each other, to be kind to others, because this is not only worshipping or not only doing such kind of things that are only up to us and the god. It is actually being kind and being nice and generous and positive to the people in the world and around you, especially, so that you can be considered a good human being, because possessing a very good behavior and a polite behavior is actually the thing that is required for being a very good human being. So this is the tip of the day, or the message of the day, that spread happiness and never create barriers for others, because whoever creates barriers for others actually someday feels difficulty to cross those barriers, and those barriers actually create difficulties in the way of the creator itself. So if you feel positive and like these things, thank